If you want to use the app as an admin, you need to log into the admin account. After you enter your credentials, again, if you haven't got given permissions, you will give all the permissions for the locations and the notifications. And this will be the admin dashboard. You can add your locations. You can set each location in a different site. You can set the sites with the relevant information for the site. Each building will have their own details, and you will get the building active until you set everything. After you give the details of the building, you will put a minimum 3 pins on the Google map to find your location, and these will be listed as coordinates on the below. You can add additional pins, coordinates manually. You can move them around, or you can delete them. After that, you will be able to upload your floor plan by taking a picture or choosing from a local directory. You can delete the building at any time. Each building can be in a site, and these will be automatically separated and grouped on the main dashboard. After map and location being set, you can go into the final details of the evacuation plan. The first tab will be to find the true north of your floor plans by spinning your image around, and then when you click the next one on the step 2, we will put the first pins that we set in Google Maps onto our building plans. You can move them, you can move them around, and you can set them within the plan. You can zoom in and out to make a better and accurate movements. You can clear all the pins, and then you can reset them whenever you like by choosing the individual pins. After the building edge pins from Google Map has been set, the final step will be the all individual Wi-Fi pins for the exit doors, safe path, corner of the buildings, and entrance. Each one of those can be set individually, and every single set within the map will be listed for you to confirm. After everything has been completed, saving the map if all the requirements are met, including the coordinates and Wi-Fi pins, and we will implement the BLE beacons for the next iterations. So iOS users, Apple users will be able to use the applications. In current state is Android only. When you're on the admin console, you can do a drill practices for the entire site or individual buildings, and in the event of a fire, you can individually start the evacuation for the building or the entire site. And every time you are trying to start the processes, the system will ask your confirmation, just in case you click the button by accident, so you won't alarm everybody. Soon as you started the drill and confirm, everybody within the build will be alerted, and you will get push notifications, and everybody clicking I am safe button will be transferred from inside to outside, from red to green areas. When everything is completed, you will be able to resolve the drill to stop the test. You can go back in, you can go to history to see all your tests, evacuations. You can delete them, you can export the data, and you can share them by email, WhatsApp, or record them as a CSV files. Admin will have their own account settings, and that will be some information about the admin, their permissions, and it will be subscription plans. Plans are works month by month, automated or manual. They can be annual automated. The current status is test mode, so you can go into the subscriptions and you can test it with no payments, but in the near future all these will be payments. And as with the users, admin can delete their account. The admin deletion will delete all the buildings, history, and the site details from system. Before you delete, you will get confirmation confirming we'll delete everything. If you need any additional information, you can always contact us. You can see the terms and services, privacy, cookie, or acceptable use policies from our main site, firevision.uk. Thank you.